Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amarta Rupani, and in today's video I am going to walk you through the complete step-by-step process to create your Express Entry profile. So without wasting any time, let's just start. So in order to create your Express Entry profile, you need to go to their official website, which is called cic.gc.ca, and in the search box enter Express Entry, then click the search button and it will give us some links, and then click Immigrate through Express Entry. Now it will bring us at this page, and now click Submit your Express Entry profile, and it will bring us to this page. So scroll this page down, then click Create or Sign into your account. So first of all, we need to create our account by using GC key option, and then click Sign Up, accept terms and conditions of use, create your unique username and password. After you created your username and password, it will bring you at this page to create your recovery questions. And the purpose of these questions is just to secure your account. And guys, don't forget to note down and save your question and answers that you created in this section, just in case if you forget them in the future. Now at this point you have completed your sign up, and this is the optional step to recover your account. All you have to do is just enter your email address. They will send you a code that you have to enter in this box. Now click Continue, accept terms and conditions, and it brings you at this page where you need to enter your all the basic information such as your given name, your last name, your email address, and preferred language. And then again you need to create your security questions, such as in this section I'm going to enter my favorite actor, my favorite movie, favorite food. So you can select your own choice of questions and answers, and then click Continue, which brings you at this page, and it says your account, I mean the account under your name. And at this point you can start your application for Express Entry. Click Apply to come to Canada, the first link, and it will bring you on this page where you can check your eligibility criteria for Express Entry if you haven't done before. So click Express Entry and find out if you are eligible to apply by answering these questions. For example, the first question is the province or territory you are most interested in. Here I selected Alberta, just an example. And the next question is about your language test results. And guys, you must have your language test results before you create your Express Entry profile, because you need to enter the score and the date on which you have given your test for listening, writing, speaking, and reading. And the next question will be about your skilled work experience. And guys, at this point you should know your National Occupation Classification Code, which is NOC. And it is very important to know your NOC, because for Express Entry the acceptable NOCs are from skill level tier 0, 1, 2 and 3. Guys, recently IRCC has introduced new tier category system. You may want to check their official website to see which tier level your occupation falls in. Okay, so the next question is about your qualifications. If it is from Canada, so your answer will be no. If it is not, and the next question is about proof of funds, that how much money you're bringing to Canada, and that all depends on family members including you. So for example, if it's only you who's coming to Canada, then you will enter just 1. And if your partner or spouse is also coming to Canada with you with your kids, then you need to enter the number accordingly and then press next. And the next question is about, do you have a valid job offer in Canada? Then answer would be no if you don't. And what is your date of birth? Just enter your date of birth and your foreign education that you have, and that has to be assessed from one of the agencies such as University of Toronto or WES. I've already spoken about these agencies or organizations in my previous videos. Okay, so the next question would be if your relatives are in Canada, or if you have studied in Canada, or if you have Canadian work experience. So just check whatever applies to you and click next. And the next question would be about your marital status. So in this case I am going to select never married, just to keep this video short and simple. And after answering all those questions, it will give me the results, and it says I am eligible for express entry, and these are number of steps that I need to follow to submit my express entry profile. So when you click continue, then it will bring you at this page where you will have to enter the information again, such as your family name, your first name, and your date of birth, and then your marital status, and click next. That brings you at this page, and guys, this is a page where you can complete and submit your express entry profile, and it consists number of sections that you need to complete. So let's start from the first one, and that's personal details. So all you have to do is just enter your names, which is already there, your gender, your date of birth is also there, and enter country and city of birth, and then click next. Your marital status is also there, whatever you have entered before. Click next, and then you need to enter your passport or national ID document information, such as passport number, expiry date, issue date, and where it was issued. So after entering all the information, all you have to do is just save and add, then click next. Okay, so as soon as you complete all these sections, it will show complete and it will turn into green. Since I wanted to keep this video short, that's why I showed you just the first section, and rest of the sections are super easy and super straightforward, guys, because all you have to do is just enter your information in those sections the way I demonstrated for the first section, which is personal details section. However, I wanted to show you the applications details section because it is the most important one, in which you want to show your interest for PNP to provinces and territories. So I would recommend you guys to select all provinces and territories options so that you can receive letter of interest from any of those provinces or territories. Okay, once you have completed all the sections, I would recommend you guys to review each section few times before submitting it in order to avoid mistakes. And when you're confident about all the information that you have provided in this profile, then press continue button, and then it will bring you at this page, that is declaration and electronic signature, where you agree that all the information which is provided in this profile is correct as per your knowledge. And guys, you should definitely read it before you do electronic signature. Please ensure that you don't provide any wrong information, because Canada agency is going to cross-check all this information with the documents that you will provide in the future, and your CRS score will also be calculated based on this profile. And then click sign. It will bring you at this page. And guys, this is very last step to submit your profile. So please ensure that the information you have provided in your profile is correct to the best of your knowledge. Okay, so after verifying all the information, you press transmit button, which will bring you at this page. It says congratulations, you have successfully submitted your application or profile, and then you will receive a confirmation number that your profile has been submitted, and they will communicate with you through your account. So that was a step-by-step process to complete and submit your express entry profile. And once you're done with that, then don't forget to log out from your account just for the security reasons. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care, and I'll see you again.